Graphing the vertex form of parabola.
Okay, class, let's have example number 1. We have y is equal to 2 times x plus 2 squared plus 5. First, kunin muna natin yung ating formula for the vertex form. So, our formula is y is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. Next, kunin natin yung mga value ngayon ni h and k, which is our vertex and value ni a. So, first, a. So, yung a natin for this equation is 2, positive 2. And our h and k, which is our vertex, okay, from positive 2, pag nilabas mo siya, magiging negative 2. Then, positive 5. Since we already have the vertex, let's plot the points dun sa ating graph. So, we have negative 2 and positive 5. So, our vertex is here. Okay, so we already plot the points. Now, ano yung trabaho ni A? So, si A, it will tells you kung ang iyong parabola ay open upwards or downwards. Kung ang A mo ay positive, ang parabola mo is going upwards or opening upwards. Pag ang A mo ay negative, your parabola is opening downwards. So, ano yung ginagawa ng value dun sa A? Yung value naman ng A tells you kung ilang movement or ilang moves or ilan yung ika-count mo or ilan yung i-skip mo from your vertex. So, first, let's have a table. So, yung table natin, so, value ng x. And then, ano yung magiging value dito? So, ang gagamitin nating formula dito ay yung y is equal to 2 times x squared. Yan po yung gagamitin natin. Okay, so y is equal to 2x squared. Okay. Now, let's assign the value of x. Then, i-substitute natin dito. So, first, kunyari, I'll give 1. So, substitute na natin. So, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay? So, now, paano yung movement natin? From the vertex, so, move daw tayo ng either left or right ng isa. So, isa. And then, move tayo ng, since positive yung ating A, ang pag-movement natin is upward ng dalawa. So, 1, 2. Andito siya ngayon sa tapat ng 7. Okay. Next, try ulit natin. So, we have let's say 2. Okay? I-substitute natin ulit. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? So, from the vertex, mag-move daw tayo ng pakaliwa or pakanan ng dalawang beses. So, we have 1, 2. Dito tayo sa path ng 4. And then, upward daw tayo ng 8 beses. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, kunyari, andito na. Okay? Nakaganyan yan eh. So, kunyari dito siya. Kita ba? So, hindi. So, basta ganun siya. Since symmetrical tayo, yung ating axis of symmetry ay nasa 2, magmi-mirror lang yan. Okay? Magmi-mirror lang yan. So, kung ano yung ginawa mo dito sa left side, ganun din yung gagawin mo sa right side. So, nag-skip tayo ng isa. And then, nag-up tayo ng dalawa. Then, eto na yung ating parabola. Nasundan? So, ang i-grade or ang kalimitan lang kasing tinitignan dito ni teacher ay itong 3 points lang na to. So, don't mind na lang yung kanina yung sa 8 kasi hindi makita dito sa video kasi medyo malayo-layo na siya. Pero, ang way po ng pagsosolve is ganito. Kung ilan yung movement mo pakaliwa or pakanan, and then, ilan yung aakyatan mo, ilan din yung bababaan mo. So, ganito po yung equation niya or ganito yung pag-solve niya. So, nasundan? Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, so let's have example number 2. So, we have y is equal to 4 times x minus 1 squared minus 2. Okay, so first, let's put the formula. So, we have y is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. First, identify muna natin yung mga value. So, we have for the a, ang value ng a is 4, positive 4. And our h and k. So, from negative, pag nilabas, magiging positive 1. And then, negative 2. So, which is our vertex. So, our vertex is positive 1 and negative 2. Now, let's plot the points. So, positive 1, tsaka negative 2. Andito po yung ating point. Okay? Now, since positive si ating A, our parabola is going upward. So, opening upward siya. Okay? Then, ang A natin is 4. So, apat na beses din tayong aakyat. Okay? So, let's try or let's make a table na. Okay? So, kunin natin ulit to. Okay? So, y is equal to 4 times x squared. Okay. Now, let's assign the value of x. So, for example, 1. Okay. So, 1. Substitute natin. So, 1 times 1 is 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. So, from your vertex, left or right man yan, kung saan kayo gusto nyo much better kayo, sige, pa-right tayo. Skip tayo ng isa. And then, akyat daw tayo ng 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yung point natin ay nandito. Kung doon naman tayo sa left, skip tayo ng isa, akyat tayo ng 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito naman yung ating isang point. Kasi, kung natatandaan nyo, ang ating axis of symmetry po, equal po yung, o kumbaga na, siya yung nagre-reflect sa both side ng ating parabola. Next, let's have another one. So, let's assign x. 2, gamitin natin. So, substitute natin siya ngayon. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? From your vertex, skip tayo ng, sige pakanan tayo, ng 2. So, 1, 2. Aakyat tayo ngayon ng 16 na beses. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, dito siya ngayon. Ganon din dito sa kabila. So, dito naman yung points niya. And then, connect natin yung, so, nakagawa na tayo ng parabola. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung pagkuha. Ang pinaka-importante dito sa parabolang ito is ito lang points na to. Ditong part lang na to. Itong tatlong ito. Hanapin si vertex at kunin yung dalawang point o yung tinatawag nating the latus rectum. Yung dalawang latus rectum dito sa magkabilang side. So, yun lang po. Okay, nasundan ba? Okay, so let's have naman, what if naman kung ating A is negative? So, let's have another example. Okay, so let's have example 3. We have y is equal to negative 3, x plus 5 squared plus 7. Okay, so rewrite muna natin yung ating formula ulit. So, y is equal to a, x minus h squared plus k. So, now, let's find our value. So, for letter A is negative 3. For our h and k, which is our vertex is from positive 5, magiging negative 5, and then 7. So, now, let's plot the points na. So, negative 5. So, negative 5 tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, positive 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Andito po yung points natin. Okay? Now, yan yung vertex natin. Now, dito, sa example natin ngayon, sa example 3, ang ating A is negative. So, it means our parabola is opening downward. So, lahat ng movement natin ay pababa rin. Okay? So, now, let's make a table. Okay, so x. Then, kunin natin yung equation dito. Okay, so y is equal to negative 3x squared. So, let's assign a number in x. So, substitute natin. Negative 3, 1 squared. Okay, so negative, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. So, plot natin yung points na yan. So, move tayo ng either pakaliwa or pakanan ng isa. And then, going downwards tayo ng tatlo. So, 1, 2, 3. So, andito yung isa. Pag sa right naman, move tayo ng isa. Then, 1, 2, 3. Okay, since symmetrical nga siya. Okay, now, let's have another 1. Let's assign another number sa x. So, 2. So, substitute lang natin yung 2 sa x dito sa formula. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. So, mag-skip daw tayo ng dalawa pa right side or pa left side. Then, downward daw tayo ng 12 na beses. Okay? So, let's count. So, dalawa. Then, down tayo ng 12. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, dito siya. And then, yung isa naman natin ay dito. Then, ito na yung ating parabola. Nasundan? Okay? So, that's all for today.